My family and friends, today I'm going to make cheddar biscuits. So 1 cup of cheddar cheese, 2 cups of flour, 1 stick of butter, and then I'll just put garlic salt or whatever you have in the kitchen. I'll show you in a little bit. Before I will start my video, don't forget to subscribe over here, like and comments. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified in my next video. Next is my video. So guys, ito na yung ingredients ng ating cheddar biscuits. So, 2 cups of flour, yung 1 stick na butter, gimelt ko, tapos ilagay mo dyan. So, just mix everything. And then the cheddar cheese. Then water, 1 cup or 3/4 of water, and then just put a little bit of garlic salt, just a little bit for texture because cheese is already salty. Just mix this good and then bake. That's about it. Very simple. If it is like very lumpy, you can add a little bit of flour, but this one, the mixture looks pretty good. That's about it, and then form into bowls and bake. Bake at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. And I'll show you a little bit. And then after mixing, you spoon into the air fryer basket and then baked. I'll show you in a little bit. Guys, here are my cheddar biscuit. Yummy!